Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking to join FTA Indigo Cadet Pilot Program, then this video is for you. If you're confused, if you don't know, if you doesn't have the enough knowledge or information about FTA Indigo Cadet Pilot Program, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Captain Devil Soni, co-founder of Golden Apprentice Aviation and pilot career coach, trainer and mentor by heart. Now, why I'm even making this video, because we got a lot of calls, we get a lot of, people have so many concerns, doubts, and they want to know, about the FT Cadet Pilot Program or various other Cadet Pilot Program also. So, I have something, very important for you. I would recommend you, and I will tell you, you watch this video until the last, because in the middle of this video there is some gift for you, and there's something very important information for you, so watch it till the end. Now, a lot of people have so much of doubt, like which FTO to choose, and what are the benefits from where we can finish the training faster, in which the competition is lesser or the competition is more. So I have created videos on all the FTOs of the new Cadet Pilot Program. You can watch all of them. You can visit my personal website also, and in my personal website I have the brief details about all the Cadet Pilot Program. You can gain information from my website, which is devilsoni.com. In this, you can click on this button and you can see all this information about the Cadet Pilot Program, and you can download those files also from my personal website. So let's start. And one more thing, you can register for a webinar which I take every Sunday, in which I talk about all the FTOs, about the Air India Cadet Pilot Program, about the Indo Cadet Pilot Program, and about the conventional way of becoming a pilot and various other things. And so let's start with FTA Cadet Pilot Program of Indigo program overview. And definitely the purpose and the function is, FTA have got a tie-up with Indigo, and it is this is since 2017 they are training cadet pilots for Indigo. So it is one of those oldest cadet pilot program of Indigo. The goal is obviously to train cadets to become first officer and join Indigo. Training location is in South Australia, which is Adelaide, and one of the very finest place. And some of the training will be done in Toowoomba, Queensland also. Then highlights of this program. It's a very transparent cadet pilot program. It has a very the cost-wise they are very transparent, and it is a very old a flying club since 1982, and it is very, very reputed and very trusted cadet pilot program and a flying club. Then the application process is phase 1. You will apply, and before applying, go through this entire information and the FAQs, and because they get a lot of applications, so they select and they don't give chance to everyone to to come for the process. Then once you submit the online application, then they will invite you for the assessment, and they will shortlist and they will invite you. And once your application is selected, then they will send you a notification via email. Then selection process, as you will undergo an ADEPT, which comprises of they will check your aptitude, your suitability, your psychometry, your psychomotor skills, and your situational awareness, your multitasking through this ADEPT testing. Then Indigo selection, once you have cleared this stage 1, then you will be called for group activity, and then you will be called for interview assessment. So you just have to change the flow. Stage 2 will be this, and stage 3 will be this. So that's about the selection process. Then your training will be, you'll get an email about your training, and then you will start your visa process and onboarding. After this, then after this application process, then your training phases. So first you will do a ground training in India, and you have to clear your exams like metrology, your navigation and regulation, and what about I mean the RTR. You will get an Australian RTR, and that will be valid, and that is a good benefit of doing it from FTA. Then you're flying in Australia, you will get your CASA CPL with multi-engine IR, and you will be doing your training in FTA at Iliad. Then phase 3, you will do your DGC conversion after coming back. Most likely you will do your conversion flying in Chimes. As of now, the Chimes is the flying club, one of the good flying club. I mean the conversion process will be done in Chimes. And once you finish your license conversion, then you will do your type rating. You will go back to Australia in Melbourne, and you will finish your A320 type rating in Melbourne over there. So this is about your training phases, and after this, eligibility criteria, basic requirement, as you know, you need to be 10+2, and disregard this age because as per the Indigo policy now they have changed. It is between 18 to 35 years old, and I must say those people who are 17 years old and they've just gave the 12th exam, I would say, recommend that you should start preparing now only, and once you become 18 then so that you can immediately apply. So don't wait until you become 18, you can start your preparation. In fact, when you just write your 10+2, and in fact those who are going to schools, some students are really very, very pro. They're clear that they want to join Cadet Pilot program. In fact, yesterday only one of the girls, she enrolled with us. She just enrolled in 12th standard only. And then two girls in fact, and both of them have enrolled. They want to be they want to join the Cadet Pilot program. They've started preparing now only. So they're very, very pro. I really like to congratulate them for this. Nationality Indian on OCI holder. So if you're OCI holder but you're staying in abroad, you are eligible to apply for Indigo Cadet Pilot program. Then academics, obviously 10+2 with minimum 51% in physics, maths and English, and in aggregate also. So language, obviously to be a pilot you need to be fluent in English. That is very much well required. Medical, yes, you need to have class 1 medical before LOI, and before starting your flying training in Australia, you need to have a CASA class 1 medical, and you can get it done from India also. There are some doctors which are approved for your Australian class 1 medical exam as well, if you wish to. But Indian class 1 medical standards are really high. If you can clear Indian class 1 medical, you can clear the class 1 medical of any country. Then BMI obviously should be less than 30. You should be fit, healthy, and no visible limitations, no tattoo or piercing on your body as per Indigo policy. You must be eligible for Indian passport, Australian student visa, and unrestricted worldwide travel. So I know this information must be getting overwhelmed, but as I told you, you can visit my website dililsuren.com, and in my website you can download this information about all the Cadet Pilot programs: Skyborne, FTA, Inside, Marigold, Garuda, Chimes Aviation Academy, CAE, all of this program, and you can download this step-by-step process, a step-by-step guide to become a pilot in India also. As I told you previously also, we could register through a webinar. The link is given in the description box and as well as on my website as well. So let's continue the medicals as we have already discussed, and let's go to the next step, which is your accommodation and student life. FTA is really a fantastic facilities, and infrastructure and quality of training on airport campus, and per unit 4 to 6 students, and male and female they will have a different units. And the inclusion in FTA program is you will have a private bedrooms, study space, shared kitchen and bathroom, and weekly cleaning, and Wi-Fi, and fresh linens. So I mean they are absolutely gorgeous, FTA. Their facilities. Then amenities, gymnasium, tennis court, and swimming pool in Adelaide only, and then basketball court and BBQ and soccer ground as well. Now you can imagine the kind of facilities they have. Then student support, 24/7 welfare team for medical emergencies, and counseling and admin and emotional support also. See, I mean, they have mentioned they're given emotional support also. This is very, very important during your journey. Okay, FTA is one of the, I mean, a good career pilot program, and very old and very trusted. And the next is contact details. You can contact them. You can go to their website, and you can contact on these numbers and these address. And if you are feeling underconfident and you are feeling overwhelmed, like how to clear those career pilot program, how to clear the group activity interview at the stage 1, don't worry, we'll be happy to help you out, and we'll be happy to to train you in such a way so that you clear all the stages in one shot. Okay, so I hope that you must have got enough information about the FTA Indigo Cadet Pilot Program, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and see you.